Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us understand what is an operand. So here carefully observe this 10 and the variable name a are helping to execute this operator. In this expression, this variable a and the value 0 helping this operator to execute. In this statement, this variable a and the value 20 helping to execute this plus operator. A value or a variable, those are giving as input to an operator to execute its operation, is called operand. Operand is nothing but input. Okay, a value you are giving as a input to the operator is called operand. Here 10 is an operand, here a and 0 as an operand, here a and 20 are operands. Look at the definition. A value that is passed as an input to an operator for performing an assignment, validation and calculation is called what? Operand. Then what are the different things we can pass as an operand? We will discuss in the next video. Hope you understand this. Thank you.